You know the struggle when you want to lube your chain or change a tire or adjust your spokes or your suspension or something, and you try to get your bike up on a bucket or something to get it off the ground? Don't do that. I just picked up the VEVOR bike lift and will be unboxing that. It has a total load capacity of 440 pounds. So this is perfect for most any dirt bikes, electric bikes, or dual sport bikes. The only thing you need to do to set this up is just to attach the lift arm right here. These two pins, and then you got a snap ring on the end of the pin. Slip those in, line up your holes, slip that in there. Then you're just going to snap the snap rings on. Might grab like a screwdriver or something and alright, and that is it right there. And with the hydraulic on it, it will ease the bike down slowly, so you don't have to worry about it just dropping your bike and you have to catch your bike and stuff like that. Just pop the lever, it's going to ease down, you'll be able to easily get your bike on and off. It does have this locking lever on it, so when you flip that, you won't be able to lower the bike, so it locks it there in place in the left position. So that's super handy, but I've honestly never used it. You've got a locking lever and you can adjust the height of it. You get 10 to 18 inches of height that's adjustable. So that's about the end of your reach right there. But you're going to want to go about the height of your bike. It has a locking nut on it, so you can adjust that, lock it down. It's also got a rubber surface to keep the bike from slipping on it. Balance the bike a little bit better. It's fairly sturdy too. You can wiggle on your bike and it's not going to tip over either. So if you're looking to get your bike up, get it off the suspension, if you got more performance suspension, or if you want your suspension to last longer, or if you need to be able to maintenance your bike, consider looking into these motorcycle stands instead of just using your kickstand and setting it up. These will give you a lot longer life on your suspension and give you that ease of maintenance. If you're looking for a solution to get your bike up off the ground, be sure to check out this VEVOR bike lift. I picked this up. I've been using this for the last couple years since getting the Ultra B. It's been great for maintenance, great for storing it, and it's really easy to use. It's held up. It's not that expensive at all. It's pretty sturdy, storing it here in the garage. So be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.